Welcome to today's video, where we will be focusing on how you can easily change your password in the Whatnot app. Many users sometimes forget or want to update their passwords for better security. In this video, I will guide you through the process in clear and simple steps, so you can secure your account quickly and confidently. First, open the Whatnot app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, scroll through the options until you find Change Password and tap on it. After that, you will need to enter your current password to confirm your identity. Next, type in your new password carefully and then re-enter it in the Confirm Password field to make sure both entries match. Finally, tap on the Change Password button to save your new details. Once you do this, your Whatnot password will be successfully updated. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.